We're going to be talking a lot about the wind chill factor over the next several days. A simplified answer to what is the wind chill? It's a combination of temperature with winds and apparent temperature, what it feels like to exposed skin. So that's why when we talk about the wind chill, it means bundle up, cover up, and hopefully not go outside when it gets this brutal. This is the official wind chill chart from the National Weather Service. So you have the winds here, you have the temperature on the x-axis, and when you combine together, you see these light blues. That's when frostbite can happen in 30 minutes, and we're going to be in that sector over the weekend. We could actually see wind chills up to 20 below, maybe even 25 below, which is pretty much unheard of here in Oklahoma. There is a fancy schmancy equation to calculate the wind chill. Check it out. Yeah, no one's doing that by hand right now. Maybe I did it in college, but it's been a minute. And it has a lot of averages in here, so it's not a perfect calculation. It's just an idea of what it feels like for people and pets only. This does not apply to objects like cars or even for plants. Average height of 5 feet based on a human face model. They put on sensors and had people walk on treadmills to figure out an average of some of these variables. It assumes no sun impact, and it has something called skin tissue resistance factored in. So a lot of variables here, but basically it's what it feels like when the winds are stronger and the temperatures are colder. The wind chill will be worse. Current wind chill 1 below, and it is going to get worse this weekend. 3 below now for Woodward. Look at our live temperatures in the teens. It's been falling Arctic air settling in. This is our first surge. It will be plummeting through the weekend. 8 now for Guyman. Winds still strong out of the north-northwest, but gradually decreasing. Our wind advisory is about to expire. Clear skies, enjoy the sunshine, 16 degrees. It will climb above freezing today, but that will not last for long. Here's that official wind advisory, almost done. Our storm system's peeling out of here. Did produce severe weather in southeastern Oklahoma yesterday. It's still creating severe weather with a tornado watch across Mississippi. We've been watching tornado warnings from Arkansas to Mississippi all morning long. That's out of here. What's next? A storm system off the Pacific Northwest coast moving in for Sunday. And the timing and location and totals have changed a little bit, as I'll show you coming up. Cold air surging in 25 below zero in Montana, and that's just the start of it. Even colder air, the coldest we've seen in 3 years, moves in late Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That'll be the coldest time frame. We rebound a little bit, but then there's another surge of Arctic air towards the end of the week before we really start to climb out of it. Future winds, so they're staying up out of the northwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour throughout the day, gradually decreasing. Lighter winds tonight, but it doesn't last for long. That reinforcing cold shot of air arrives, and Saturday a strong north wind at 20 miles per hour throughout the day, gusts to 30 or 35 miles per hour. And you know what that's going to do? Two things: drop the temperatures, and 2, bring us bigger wind chills, which is why we have a wind chill watch Saturday evening through Tuesday morning for wind chills 20 to 25 below potentially in the state. Let's talk about it. Saturday afternoon, wind chills in the single digits in northern Oklahoma. It could be to 10 below, and this model may be underestimating it. Future wind chills for Sunday morning, probably our coldest time frame. Wind chills 10 to 20 below zero. Lowest wind chills will be across north central and northeastern Oklahoma. And for Sunday afternoon, wind chills staying below zero even during the day, with snow blowing around. By Monday morning, wind chills still about 10 to 15 below zero. You're getting the point here. Dangerous cold. As far as snow goes, still expecting it by mid-morning on Sunday, mainly across northern Oklahoma. The big difference is that the system has shifted north, and it has shortened the duration of snow, which lowers the snow totals. Higher snow expected up north, and then it'll move out. Could be a little band in southern Oklahoma Sunday night and again through midday on Monday. That's kind of newer in here, so we'll be keeping an eye on it. It's reflected in the forecast snow totals. Could see a local band of 1 to 2 inches there. In general, across the state, I think about a ½ an inch to 2 to 3 inches. Another computer model still has 3 to 4 inches. So this is not locked in. I urge you to stay plugged into weather forecast updates throughout the weekend. The cold air is locked in, though, so prepare for it. 37 today, wind chills in the teens and 20s. Tonight, start dripping your faucets. You don't want pipes bursting. Wind chills to 15 below zero in northern Oklahoma by the morning. Tomorrow, only a high of 7. Well, it's not a high. It falls to 17 by the afternoon. Single digits to the north. Single digit wind chills, if not colder. Our coldest time frame will be Sunday morning. Wind chills to 20 below in the state. Near record cold, a high of only 11, dropping to 8 degrees Tuesday morning. Slowly climbing out of it. Another Arctic front arrives on Thursday, and back to the upper 20s for highs on Friday. Austin, get ready for the dangerous cold.
I don't know if I